Hi everyone, welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today we have a fun art project from Mrs. Griffith, an art teacher from Montana. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hi there! So I'm Jennifer Griffith. My kids call me Mrs. Griffith. I teach at a K-8 elementary school in Montana. I also teach French and culture, but my passion is art. I'm so excited to be a part of the Artsonia After School Club to share that with you and to create some beautiful artwork. So enjoy and have fun and let's create.
Hey everybody! How's everybody doing today? I'm excited to teach you about an artist and a particular style of art. His name is Vasily Kandinsky. He was born in 1866 and was 77 when he died in 1944. He's kind of an abstract artist, so as you can kind of see, there's some abstract things on my plate here. I use a messy mat, which is a piece of parchment paper. Really, that's all I use for to make sure I don't get things on the table. And that can also, you can buy that in sheets or in rolls. I have a ruler here for my supplies, black marker, some chalk pastels, and some templates, or I guess some round things to trace. So we're going to talk about open and closed shapes. So as I take my marker, I'm going to go ahead and just use kind of like this ramekin cup, and I'm going to start to draw shapes with my marker. Well, I'm actually going to trace the shapes with my marker. So I've got some circles, got some different sizes of circles. Now I'm putting them next to each other, but one thing is kind of cool is to overlap your circles. And you can get extra shapes from those overlapped circles. So I'm doing some different sizes here. I could do a circle inside of a circle. Might be kind of cool. So I'm definitely working with circles. And I think that's good for now. And then we're going to take the ruler and do some straight lines through our circles, or not through our circles. This is a pretty, it's abstract. So it is kind of at the view of the artist and what the artist wants. So I am just lining up my lines, and I'm making some go through having them intersect, and some not intersect. My point is, what I'm trying to do is to make some open and closed shapes. So if I look here at open and closed shapes, I've made a couple extra. Here I just had 1, 2 shapes. Now I have 1, 2, 3 closed shapes. I have the line entering here, so this is all of my open shape here. I'm sorry, my closed shape, and then I have my closed shape over here. So we have a little bit of black, a little bit of white, some neutral colors, and it's really fun to add some color. That was one of the things that Kandinsky always loved to do, was to add a lot of vibrant color to his art. I have some different colored chalk pastels. Again, chalk pastel is going to get chalky. So as you are working with chalk pastel, it's easy to just kind of blow away your extra chalk. And it's a very beautiful bright color, and it blends really nicely. So using the side of my pastel, I'm just going to start to add some colors to my closed shapes. One thing I like to say a little bit when I talk about closed shapes is I think about a mouse and a snake. And I think about that snake really, really, really wanting to eat that mouse and get a really, really yummy dinner for the night. And all of a sudden, if that mouse was inside of this shape and that snake was outside of that shape, that snake is going to be out of luck for a yummy dinner. But if that shape is open, and let's say the mouse was here and the snake was over here, that snake could sliver around those open sides and have the yummiest dinner ever. So one way to remember your open and closed shapes is by looking and seeing if that mouse is going to get eaten for dinner or not by that snake. So as you can see, I'm starting to blend my oranges and yellows together here. I've got a little bit of chalk dust. You can see it on my finger, and I can also see it on my paper. So I'm going to throw that away, or blow it away. There we go. I won't throw away. I'm just gonna blow it away. I might want to make a little bit of a darker mark right here. Great job, everybody. I've gone ahead and finished my gorgeous Kandinsky abstract, colorful drawing of open and closed shapes. Did get a little bit of chalk pastel on my fingers. That's okay with me. It's not okay with you. You can always use a tissue, toilet paper. You can use anything you want to smear if you don't want to use your fingers. And I did kind of figure out which colors that were on each of my fingers so that I didn't mix the purple, blue, and green with my red, orange, and yellow. That would have probably given me brown. And I didn't want brown on my painting or my picture. I just wanted the brighter colors. So, welcome to the world of Vasily Kandinsky and abstract art. Have a wonderful day.